Now, you take your ball, so here's the ball. When you pass the ball, you go to push, 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 or this one, push, or inside. Or like that, or what is he doing? From that, maybe we do that. Why is this more difficult for you? Okay. You change when you want, huh? Oh, you can change when you want. Okay. Come here. What? Come. We change. You can. That out. You go in wing. Defense. Defense. Attack. Now that is very, very important for me. If you do in training only that we will see now, you will have one typology of player on wing. If you want to have Abalo or Mikhail Guigou in my country, they must have different exercise for wing players. So that the back players must understand. That is very difficult for your back players. That sometimes they are here for help the wing. every time they give the ball when they can do nothing. It's finished for them, they give the ball. Okay, go. Now, you pass the ball here. You will come here. Look what he is doing. He's coming there. It's opens the space for you. He's working for you. You have more place now. You will play 1 against 1. Come here. And now you have more places here. Or you go there, or you go there. But very strong, you go there. You try to make a goal. He can take responsibility. The back players open the space, he go to 1 against 1. And you know, when you give the ball here, if he is going this way, you come here. If it's too difficult for you to go here, you know that the ball can come here. If you go there, you come here, he can pass the ball. If he's there, you come here. He must be in security to go 1 against 1 very strong, because he knows that the ball, he will not lose the ball. Okay? We try. Okay. It's to you. Okay. Play now. Play. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Go, go, go. Play. 1 against 1. Very hard. Another time. Yes, 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 yes. Good. Now. Now. 2 times. 2 times. This player finished there. Only one thing, when you jump here. It's difficult here, but you try to go here, because here it's too easy for him. Okay? So I will just look me. I don't know how they will do 1 against 1, it's a problem. I will just look if they are going in the second post. That is my job. They have a motricity history. They will try with her motricity history, and I will just look if in principle they go there or if they accept to go there. Okay? Play. Good, 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 play, good! So, it will be not the same winger if he only there and jump and shot, or if try to do that. If during 4 years or 5 years, if training like that, it maybe you will have Guigou or Abalo. If you always here to take the ball and jump, you will have Norwegian winger or Scandinavian winger. It's your problem, you choose. But you must know that there is 2 possibilities. Okay, play. Okay, take responsibility. You can go. Very hard, go! Yes, why not? Yes, good, good, good. Because you must defend. It will open the space. We will go there after. Go, next ball. Open the space. Play, play. Okay. I think you have you must give more place between you and the defender. If you are, yes. Okay. We go in the other side. Yes, they come with you. 2 defender, 2 left hand there, and you try. You just do. Okay. Okay. La même chose là-bas. La même chose là-bas. Attention, jump. Oh, not like that. Go. Okay, for now, you play like a passer. I ask you to take responsibility and to try to go to shot. Okay? Go out. Take risk. Yes, good. Okay. Go. Why not? Another time. No. Not for you. If you come here and you got the ball here, you have no place. You come there and you give pass here. Here you have place. Play. Good. Play. Take risk. Go. Yes. And jump. Okay. Now you jump and you don't fall down. After you 1 against 1, you jump. Okay, go. You can take the second with me, please. Take risk. Yes, why not? It's difficult at the beginning, but with training, they will try to do something. Yes! Very good. One shot, musculation after. Okay, you will come there. You take one ball each. Here, please. We will try to do the same here. It will be difficult, I think. That one here. It's okay. Good. One cones for me. Right hand players here. Good. Passer. Now you jump. Or here. Or you must push the ball inside here. In the goal here. For you, the same here. We can play both together. There is no goalkeeper. Thank you. 5 minutes. Go. You can go. Yes. Why not? Go. Okay. Yes, good. Hey, you can go. Yes, play. Shoot. Yes, okay. Where you want? No goal. Goalkeeper. Whoa. Go. Well, very good. Attention, you cannot shoot here. He used to do that, so every time his history is to do that. So now we must explain him, if the goalkeeper will be there, it's finished for him. Yes, good. No, goalkeeper, go. Yes, please. You must jump and put the ball inside the goal, but not like that, because it's impossible to shoot here. You must go up, ice, open with your arm and with whistle here, and it may be you should, sometimes you can try to jump here and to come to shot here. Go, play. Good, good. You see, you have no, do that and you have goal. You have not do that and you have goal. Yes. So it's not necessary to swim. Go. Good. Yes. Sorry. Go. Okay, very good. Out. Goalkeeper, one goalkeeper. Yes, out. Come here. No? No. 1 foot here, you come here, and now you shot. Aha, problem, eh? You see what he is doing? I don't ask him. He tried to do something because he has a problem. There is no place. He must find a solution with his history, not with my history, with my technique. I don't know how they will do. They will try to do something. Go. Go. Yes. Ah, yes. 5 balls, and you change. Good. Very good. Yes, not bad. Play with him. Play with him. Fence. Fence. Good. Ball. Good, very good. He does that. Yeah, change after. The last one. Next one. Try. Play with the goalkeeper. Good, very good. Go attention on the ball. Yes. 5 balls. Good. Ah, not bad. Why not? Very good. Go back, take the table, go to the left. You see, oh, I am the trainer. And I ask, you must do that, and they try again, and they... I don't know how I can explain that. The situation, you are in the Atlantic Sea and you must swim. You don't know how you will swim, but if you don't swim, you will have a big problem. So they must find solution with her body, not with my body. Yes. Yes. Good. Sorry. Okay, come here. Winger. Left back, defender. Thank you. You are back? Here. Now, left hand, defend.
Most of them.
Three? Ah, oh, sorry. Okay, passer here. So, okay. Now they are not alone. Till now, we speak about the points once of Mr. Garcia, what can do the player when he has the ball. Now, you have a partner here. We'll try to look one of two situations. So, one ball, only one for two, yes. You will do 1 against 1, externe, interne, and you will cross here, okay? I just will look. I think it will be not very good at the beginning, and we start to explain what we can do.
I should.
Yes, you should, yes. And for you, it is the same problem when you come here. If you jump here, so you take this place and you jump here, not like that, and you play with him. Okay, go. Good. Good, so. Yeah, next one. Okay, I go quickly because I have no time. That you must understand. You must understand two things that your player will do. The first thing that you will see is that. In your mind, it's not that. This player is there. You want that these players come there. You open the space for your partners. So, if I come here, it's impossible. So I must start from here, come here, go there, he will come, and at this moment you give the ball. Okay, for you at the beginning, you open the space, you give the ball, 1 against 1, and at this moment you come there. Go. And you will see what they will do. They will pass the ball like that, and we will have some problem. Good. Hey! Oh! Oh! Why you jump here? Good. Hey! He think you don't go to shot. He comes not. If you can go shot, you shot. Okay, you shoot. No shot. Good. Better, but not very, very good. You can jump more here. Good. Good. Yeah, not. You don't finish here. You will never finish here. If you finish here, the ball will go there, or in the goalkeeper. Try to with this shoulder to go there. Okay, play. Go. Yes, very good. Very good. Better, better. Good. Very good. Excellent. Yes, you see they transform immediately what they are doing. Good. Better, better. You see the first time they jump here, now they jump in the other side. Okay, that you will see also for your young players that they will try to give the ball, I don't know how, like that, or something very complex for you. Only you take the ball, you come 1 against 1, you come here with his legs. If you can go there, you go there, not like that, because he will see that you will give the ball. So you are there. If it's open, I go there, and just the ball here, and you take the ball. No pass, no pass. Only that, because you are running, he is running, and more that. Three speed at the same moment. With girls, for example, catastrophe. So you come here, stop there. You stay here, you come here very hard. If they are not here, I jump, I shot. I lost the ball, he takes the ball, you turn and you go. 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 Very good. Tension with referees. Up. Good. Yes. Good. Jump more here. It is because if your back players never go in this place, it's impossible. So sometimes they must try to have training at this place also. Okay? Good. Hop. Viens ici, toi. Mets-toi là. Please. Come here. Where you jump? Here. Come. Here you go. He's there. He's not there. Okay. Yeah. Go. Good. Good. Yes, very good. You see, they changed. They changed. Okay, stop. Now, we don't go there. Sorry, I have no time. You will be passer here. Go in defense, please. One pivot. Yes. You have not jersey? Okay. Now, you give the ball here. You fix these players. Center. The ball goes there. Come back there. You stay here. Take the ball. Or he come. You play there. Or he don't come. You shot. You shoot. Okay. One player more. No. You. Yes. One player more. No. You. No. Okay. You can stay only 2 minutes here. After. Okay. We go. Stop. Come. Yes. Good. Here. Okay. Go. Go. Oh, yes, good. Very good. Play. Your hand. Good. Very good. So they are winger, but it may be they must shoot here. So they must learn also to shoot here. In France we have a wing player which name is Mathieu Gréby. He was left back at the beginning. He's 1.97 m, and today he play on the wing. Okay, so sometimes he comes. Valentin Porte sometimes play in the wing and can come back inside and shoot also. Shoot also. Go.
Porte για παράδειγμα παίζει στη γωνία, αλλά παίζει και σαν περιφερειακό.
Not. Hey, oh. You jump here. Not here, because you will have somebody strong here. It will kill you. So you jump here, you shoot, or he come, you pass. Play. Shoot. Good. Ça va. Come. No. Defense. Yes. Defense here. Okay. Here. You are number 3 with pivot. Okay. You are number 3. Okay. Here. You are playmaker here. Come. That. You are right back here. Okay. Now, when you will come, give the ball. Come. Give the ball here. You come here. If you can shoot, you shoot. Stay here. If he comes, you give the ball there. If he stays there and you don't want to shoot these players who come, you give the ball 3 against 2 here. You must choose now. Shoot. But if you want to choose in good condition, you don't start from there. You start from there. Okay, go to the passer, go, and you are immediately here. Okay, if you can shoot, you shoot. If you come, you pass here. If no, it's here or there. Here or there. If you come here, you give the ball there. Go. 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 Pivot. Yes, good. For you, you must be more dangerous ici, here. Come here. It will open the space here. Okay? You give the ball. He's immediately there. It's finished for him. Okay? Go. Go. Shoot. Why not? Good. Sorry, it's my fault. Good. Play. Fix. Go. Go. Yes, why not? Why not? Yes, go, play. Look, what's happened? Pivot. Yes, good. Yes, very good. So, we come, you come, no, stay like that. I need some players more, but stay here. Go in defense, please. In the other side. No. You here, you here. The goalkeeper, please. On pass. On pass on the right. Okay. Now, you give the ball. You go inside. No, yes, inside. When you are here, you stop here. If you can shoot, you shoot. If you cannot, you give the ball here. If the ball goes there, you go there. And after we can play in the other side. We have no time to make that. I need one lesson with that. When the ball is there, okay, try one time, we'll see. Okay, go. Go. Help him. Go. Okay, go. Pass the ball. Yes, okay. On pass. On pass here. Yes, right. Okay. Okay. Now, when the ball is there, you here. You here. You stay here. When the right back gives the ball to the wing right, you run. No, you are number 2 now. And you look what's happened here. If you stay at 6 meters, when the ball is coming there, come. Yes, he cannot go there. He can shoot, okay? If he is doing that, you come there, in this space, there is nobody here to take the ball. Or, you come there, to block for him, and we can play in the other side here. Okay? We have no time. I need one lesson to try different solution and to explain. Now you come for finish. The last one. Come here, all the players, come. Goalkeeper, you change every 2 goals. 1 ball. We are 2 with 1 ball. Who is your friend? Yes, okay. Here, and you, here. Goalkeeper, the second goalkeeper, sorry. You come here. We need place. Middle of the, go back. Middle, in the middle. Okay. The ball is here. The ball is here. No. You stay here. You start when you want. You start when you want. You go fast break. Here. He will pass the ball to you. You are defender. You go like that. You try to go to the second. You don't go there. You try to go there. Okay? Go. When you want. No. Why you jump here? He's there. It's more difficult to you for having goal here than here. If you can go to here, you come here and you shot here. Okay, go. Hey, wait, well. Yes. You see, it's the same problem than when you are in the wing. You jump like that, and you know that you will shoot here. If you are like that, you don't know if it's here or here. Okay, go. Go. Very good. Yes, good. Go. Aye, 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 goalkeeper. You can change if you want. Good. Yes. Good. Attention, you are like that, it's finished. You can only shoot here and you know that. Better, better. Okay. 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 Go. Play. Go. Try to jump here, if you can. It's difficult with your legs, but very good. Very good. Go. Good, good, good. Yes, good. Yes, stop. If you accept to go on if you accept to go on shoot here, it's more difficult for you than if you try to go there. Go. Yes. Okay. So come here, please. 4 players sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit down. One ball. Oui, c'est dernier. You two, inside. 4. Come here. 1, 2, inside. Yo. Yes. No, no. Stand up. Stand up. Okay. Pass, pass, pass. You touch the ball, you go there. Go. 1, 2, 3. 4. Goalkeeper. 5. Come. Go, play. The same here. Yes. You play with. You take another player if necessary. Take a 6-1. Take one out. Ah, you play? Ah, okay. Okay. Now it's finished. You see that they must have training on her place to look what the goalkeeper is doing. How can I play with him? For my energy to jump ice, in technique not to jump like that if I want to shot here. They must learn to play with our left back and they must learn to play with the other side. So there is a lot of things they must learn during 4 or 5 years, from 14 to 19, to be very good players who can play in this place. When they come here in this place, and when they go inside the defense. So we have a lot of job to do with this player. And we have other job with the back players here, with the playmaker, with the pivot, and with the goalkeeper. So you have never enough time to do all. It's impossible. Okay, thank you. Come. Line, please. Thank you for your help. And I hope for you that in 2021 you will be in the best place that you ever dream. Okay? Thank you for my colleague, for your person. Every time I have training, somebody take goalkeeper. Never goalkeeper alone to do nothing. Never. Okay? If I am alone, I give exercise. Okay. Merci, messieurs.
Pas de quoi.